How to remove archived chat in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and want to read on how to remove the chats or messages that you have archived, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to remove the archived chat, tap onto archived chats right here. Now select it. Then you can see one archived chat just right here. Now to remove it, simply slide it to the left just like this, and here you can find delete option right here. Now select it. Then tap on to delete just for me or delete for all subscribers. Choose one of these because this is a group chat. Now tap onto one. And now we can see the chat has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove archived chat in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.